Welcome back to another episode of National Geographic. Today we are observing the AP Seminar habitat, one of the most active ecosystems on the planet Earth. Here we see Suyasha saticaris, a member of the genus Passus felis. Similar to the other three species introduced later on, they must work together in order to complete their trials in life, called Performus tasks 1 and 2. The other three are Corlus goodnus, a member of the Lasius slacius gene, Donicus, a member of the Givus Uppus, and then Edwardus trevellus, a member of the genus Hardus worcus. Their livelihood depends on the perseverance of incoming task IRR. The IRR is only the start of the long trek ahead for these organisms. The IRR, also known as the Individual Research Report, is a task evaluating a student's ability to evaluate a research topic from the following 8 lenses. The task introduces the students to methods such as CRAP and RAVEN, which teach these students how to evaluate evidence and think critically. As observed here, Corlus goodnus, the species that is an expert in the IRR, can be seen preparing to write this arduous and intensive work, which will provide as potential inspiration for the TMP. Once the RRR is completed, group members synthesize points of view to design the team multimedia presentation. Within this presentation, the group creates a solution that fundamentally addresses the exigency of a research issue of the RRRs. And now, these AP Seminar students must put themselves to the test individually with the IWA and IMP, both where each student will be responsible for their own unique research. The IWA is an 8 to 10 page paper that revolves around a research question that traditionally identifies a problem and a solution that considers multiple perspectives. Once finished with the IWA, the students move on to what is named the IMP, where they must present the ideas they discussed in their IWA to a group of spectators within a certain time period. At the end, they are asked a series of questions to which they must respond in detail, and afterwards, they move on to the final part of the course, which is the end-of-year exam. The exam has 2 parts. The first part of 30 minutes is reading a passage and identifying the key pieces in the author's argument. The second part of 90 minutes is writing an essay based on a common theme between 4 to 5 sources given.
2 hours later.
AP seminars are a very different course from other AP courses because it focuses on developing critical thinking, research, collaboration, and communication skills, rather than content knowledge at a specific subject area. AP seminar is an interdisciplinary course that integrates skills and content from various disciplines, including English, social sciences, natural sciences, and the arts. This course will build analytical and critical thinking skills, which in turn makes you a better reader, writer, and researcher.